Okay. Hello friends and welcome back to the Negligent channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS GeForce RTX 5050 graphics card series. So friend, ASUS has introduced the four models: the RTX 5050 Prime, RTX 5050 Prime OC Edition, and RTX 5050 Dual and RTX 5050 Dual OC Edition. So friend, the RTX 5050 Prime NOC is the more premium of the lot with a large size of 26.8 cm length and 12 cm height and 2.5 slot thickness, and it uses a aluminum Finch-Tech heatsink that's ventilated by a trio of 70 dual ball bearing Axial-Tech fan, and it also offers dual BIOS, and the default BIOS run at 2572 MHz boost and the OC BIOS run at 2602 MHz, and the RTX 5050 Prime OC edition is a slightly step up with the default BIOS running at 2677 MHz boost and the OC BIOS at 2707 MHz. So friend, the ASUS RTX 5050 Dual OC series feature a more simple and compact board design measuring 20.3 cm in length, 12 cm in height, and 2 slot thickness, and the RTX 5050 Dual could be price close. Is not NVIDIA MRP. The card uses the same PCB of the Prime series and the offer dual BIOS, and the base RTX 50 Dual offer 2572 MHz boost clock with default BIOS and 2602 MHz boost with the OC BIOS, and meanwhile the RTX 5050 Dual OC edition offer 2647 MHz in default BIOS and 2677 MHz in OC BIOS. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.